If you only have $1,000 sitting in your bank account, the current financial system is already eating away at its value while you're watching me. I'm James Vance, an investment and real estate expert, and this is the Financial Escape Code. The choice is yours. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secret that the biggest banks don't want you to know. We're going to take that $1,000 and split it into two equal halves. The first $500 will be placed into the greatest wealth-building machine in history, the very same engine that helped create the fortunes of Warren Buffett and Bill Gates. As for the other half, the remaining $500, halfway through this video, I'll reveal a hidden and surprising place to put it, one that can generate direct cash income for you without you lifting a finger. But before we break this financial matrix together, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next wealth-building strategy. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the first $500. Instead of making the rookie mistake of buying shares in a single company that could fail tomorrow, we're going to do something much smarter. We're going to buy a tiny piece of the 500 largest companies in the United States all at once. This is called the S&P 500. Let me make it incredibly simple. Imagine walking into a giant store that sells one massive basket. Inside that basket are the world's most powerful companies, the businesses that shape your everyday life. Apple, which makes your phone. Google, where you search for information. Amazon, where you shop. Microsoft, and hundreds of other industry leaders. When you invest $500 into this basket, you're no longer betting on the success of a single company. You're investing in the entire U.S. economy. If one company struggles, the others help balance it out. Historically, this basket has delivered an average annual return of around 8% to 10%. That may not sound impressive at first, but the real secret is consistency. There's a powerful strategy called dollar cost averaging. Here's how it works. Invest your first $500 through a trusted investment platform like Vanguard or Fidelity. Then forget about it. Simply keep adding a small amount every month, even just $50 from your paycheck. Over time, your old profits begin generating new profits through the power of compound growth. Eventually, that small $1,000 snowball can grow into a substantial financial foundation for your retirement and long-term security. Now, you have the first half growing steadily for the long term. But what about the second half, the remaining $500? Banks and consumer companies want you to spend it immediately so you stay trapped as a renter and a consumer forever. But a smart investor has a different plan. Instead of leaving that $500 sitting in the bank, we're going to turn it into a real asset that generates cash flow, money paid directly to you on a regular basis. Welcome to the world of digital real estate, better known as REITs. Most people believe investing in real estate requires millions of dollars, crushing mortgages, and dealing with tenants who refuse to pay. In today's world, that idea is outdated. REITs are publicly traded companies that don't own technology stocks. Instead, they own massive real-world properties, hospitals, AI data centers, luxury hotels, and apartment communities in some of the world's most desirable cities. When you invest your remaining $500 into one of these funds, such as the well-known Realty income, you legally become a partial owner of those large-scale real estate assets. And here's the most exciting part. By law, these companies are required to distribute 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. That means once you buy your shares, your bank account can begin receiving real cash payments on a regular basis, as if you owned an apartment building in the heart of New York, but without dealing with maintenance, tenants, or complicated property taxes. That was just one drop of investing knowledge in the ocean of opportunities this channel has to offer. So make sure to subscribe.